Hello viewers, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Out of Box with Anil Pandey. Today, viewer, I will just show you the Prestige City, our 79th Independence Day celebration at Prestige City, Sarjapur, Bangalore. So it is a first time, after possession of Aspen Green Villa and Avalon, the Prestige Group is celebrating, our 79th, Independence Day. So on this auspicious occasion, I just give everybody, every owner, every citizen of India a happy Independence Day. So on this occasion, the GM of the Prestige City has just conveyed a message to me for flag hoisting at Prestige City, Sarjapur. So I have gone there at Prestige City, Sarjapur along with my family, and I really thankful to Prestige Group for inviting me for such beautiful occasion of the Independence Day at Prestige City, Sarjapur. So viewer, whoever is there, Prestige City, whether in Avalon, Eden, Meriden, Aston or Aspen Green, just I am giving you the glimpse of visuals of the celebration of the Prestige City. We have enjoyed fully there the way they have arranged and all, for this thing my best wishes with the Prestige Group. We carry on this path. So don't skip the video. See the full video, so you will get all the information, since it is the first celebration at Prestige City, Sarjapur.
all Shubhodaya, हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे। आप लोगों को स्वतंत्र दिवस का शुभकामना है। आप लोग यहाँ पे हैं, ये बहुत बड़ी खुशी भी है और अपना कर्तव्य भी है। सब लोगों को स्वागत करते हुए अभी अपना कार्यक्रम शुरू करेंगे, आगे कार्यक्रम को बढ़ाएंगे। अभिवंदन।
Good morning everyone. Happy Independence Day. I'd like to welcome our guest Anup Kumar Varshanya. I'm asking my General Manager to welcome. Thank you. Mr. Anil Pandey, and I'd like to welcome
Good morning. Thank you, Vandana, for your invitation. We are now initiating the process. We would like to
अभी कुछ ही क्षणों पे अपना स्वतंत्र दिवस का ये जो गौरव होस्टिंग, जो फ्लैग होस्टिंग है वो शुरू होने वाला है। अपना परेड कमांडर गेस्ट को निवेदन करेंगे कि ध्वजारोहण के लिए कार्रवाई शुरू करें।
Morning everybody. We wish all our residents and our staff a very happy Independence Day. We welcome this is the first Independence Day that we are celebrating in this society. This is the first few residents that is moved in. I'm sure for the next few events we will have a larger gathering. Now we request our guests to speak something on this day.
Yeah, once again, happy Independence Day 79. On this auspicious occasion, respected guests, fellow residents of Prestige City, Sarjapur and dear friends, as we stand here today on the eve of 79th Independence Day, let us take this moment to reflect on the sacrifices of our freedom fighters who fought tirelessly for our nation and vision have given us the gift of freedom, and it's our responsibility to uphold the value of our freedom. Now on this day only on 15 August 1947 we broken the cycle of slavery. Now India is free. Now we should all unite irrespective of caste, creed, and make this nation once again great. Happy Independence once again. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.
Morning everyone. On this stormy day, as it marks the 79th year of our independence, I extend my warmest greetings and heartfelt wishes to each one of you.
So, viewers, you have seen such a fantastic arrangement by the Prestige Group at Prestige City, Sarjapur. Here, I will just give some message to my viewer on this as we are celebrating the 79th Independence Day. Let us take a moment to reflect on the sacrifices of our freedom fighters who fought tirelessly for our nation's sovereignty. Their bravery, perseverance, and vision have given us the gift of freedom, and it's our responsibility to uphold the values they stood for. They have not bothered for their life, they have laid down their life for, and broken the shackle of the slavery, which near about, 1000 years. First it was Mughal, then British, and then our India got free on 15th August 1947. So the freedom which we enjoy is because of those freedom fighters who even did not care for their life, and so many children, women or men, they have fought with the British rule, and our country got freed. Today, as we celebrate 79th years of independence, we do so with pride and gratitude. Our nation has grown and prospered, becoming a beacon of hope and progress. The theme for this year's celebration should be Nation First, Always First. Resonates deeply with us, remind us to prioritize our nation's well-being and work towards its progress. Let us pledge to uphold the values of unity, integrity, and democracy, contribute positively to our community and nation, respect and appreciate our diverse cultures and traditions, work towards creating a brighter future for ourselves and future generation, and make again Bharat ek sone ki chidiya. As we hoist our national flag, we have already done it. Let us remember the significance of tricolor: saffron for courage, white for peace, green for prosperity. Let these colors guide us in our journey towards a stronger, more united India. And again, as you know, the globally so much power is there, divisive power want to break our India. So it is the need of our that we all, irrespective of caste, creed, religion, once again I will say, be united, and so that again the value of the freedom which we have got must teach to your children, so that our coming generation is can understand what is the cost of freedom we have got by laying down supreme sacrifices of our freedom fighter. With these words, I will just again say Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram. And also, it is my request to viewers, kindly share this video to your contact friends and whoever has booked, so that they also can be updated regarding the first celebration, which is 79th celebration of our country and first celebration of the independence in Prestige City, Sarjapur. So they can also be updated regarding this festival, which is huge in India, celebrated in village, city, every part, and that is the only festival which once in a year unite all of us. As India is a diverse culture. Still, our strength is by unity of our people. Again, I will say Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. We will meet again with next video. Till then, bye everyone.